My name is John Jones, and today I'm going to show you how to submit a design request. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to simpletees.online. You go to design. Now, once you hear it design, there's also the reading here as we described before. We also have menu, a help menu there in the top right corner, as well as terms and conditions down at the very bottom. So you probably can't see the little check box until I scroll over it, that where it says terms and conditions here. So once you click this box, that allows you to click the background of the browser, and now you will appear at step one of names designer request. So if you click this M at the very top, you still get the ND help, and you can still click the background to remove it. So what we'll do, I will go to name design request, and it has a step by step. The intro is where you will put your email address as the authorized user. Step one is the design name and along with the style. Step two is to choose either if it's a background that you want to choose from that we have available or the actual files, then you can choose that as well. Step three is put in another email that you would like for it to be sent to, or if it's the same, just put in the same email address. Step four is the pricing. It gives you a list of what the pricing will be, so that way you can then check out. Step five is the summary of each area, such as the generated cost, the product, the name that was submitted for design, the email address that you would like the files to be sent to, and then the designer's contact information, which will be the person who's designing this name. So then once you have that complete, you look at the summary and you see that everything there is correct. Then you can complete the payment by checking out with the Stripe system. So those are the steps that are available there, without having to go through the app. But we will go through the app, and I will use my email address as the contact or the authorized email address. The name that I will submit will be, let's say, John, uh, the designer. So it has a account for each one of these letters. I will select a style. As you can see, let's see if I want to go for 002. I see that one there, so I like 002, so I'll choose that. I'll click next. These are output, so make a selection based on the backgrounds you like. So the backgrounds are basically like the actual styles that you want to use. So it's part of a visual style of a reinforcement of the 001, 002, etc. Because these are all file based. So you will receive an image, most likely in this particular style. So if you choose one of these file options below, which will give you either JPEG, PNG, EPS, AI, you can use that file for your personal use. If you want to use it for commerce, then you want to click this one here. So the difference between shared and exclusive: shared would allow you to um, to get that file at a cheaper rate, but it will become a part of an indie bank. So this is not what you want to use to trademark anything. This is where you want to go to trademark for personal use, because it will be exclusive. Only you would own this, and Names Designer will create a exclusive name design for you, or it's exclusive artwork. So that, with that being explained, that's the difference between shared and exclusive. So if I wanted to go ahead and click those, I can. Otherwise, if you click the ones above, what it's doing is giving you an accurate letter count. So this is based on the letter. So any of these background are related to letter base. So you'll receive a JPEG or a ping of those particular um, backgrounds. So with that being said, I will select this one here, all right? And I will put in the same email address as the authorized email address. I will click next. Now it renders a price for me, which is based on the letter, by the letter. There's also a processing fee of $5. So I'll click next on that. And then I can now pay with card. So the email address I use for the card will be the same. I put in a card number. So since this is in test mode, when I submit this, it will not charge this card. So I'll put in a date for a future date. I put in a 3-digit code and a zip code. And I'm not sure if that's the actual zip code, but that'll work. All right, and I will go ahead and pay. Once I pay, it is now submitted